Hello guys, today I've got the OnePlus Nord 6 and I'm going to show you how to set up the private safe on your device. At first, open the settings. Now you need to scroll down to the security and privacy right here and scroll down a little bit. As you can see in the special features, you can see private safe. Tap it. Here you need to set a privacy password. For me it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, you can use a different password type, such as, for example, let me show you this, such as here 4 digits PIN, 6 digits PIN, 4 to 16 digits pattern or alphanumeric password. Here now we've got recovery email and question. We can tap question and here former teacher's name. It can be for example Paul. And here now we have got our private safe. Here we can move it here images, audio, document, other files, and so on. So how to actually put something to it. Tap, for example, images and videos and tap add. Now, these are all my photos. I can, for example, bring this one here and set as private. Now, we've got one item over here, which is private. Here, audio. The same thing. Documents, other files. We can create folders here, subfolders, I recently deleted, open the settings of everything, change the privacy password, and add a home screen icon for it. Apart from that, here, as you can see, we've got, I didn't want to exit that. Here we've got this recently deleted tab, and you can see everything over here, like what you have recently deleted, no matter if it's an image, if it's a video, audio file, document, or some other file. That's it. Goodbye.